Time to fill some water so that we could drink. We are stuck here, and this is the road we are going to go up, but lots of vehicles are coming from that side, and it's a narrow road, so we cannot, there is no place where two vehicles can go. Yeah, इसी लाइन पे yeah ठीक है go little towards right. Yeah go. Ah, what a feeling, man. Manipuri flag. Salai Terit. There was like smoke was coming out from here, literally. From here, is it? Yeah, from somewhere from here. Good morning guys. I just woke up. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I was here last night, and this is day 2 of our high pass challenge. We are somewhere near Shimla. You should watch the earlier vlog of yesterday if you haven't watched, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Good morning, Harthi sir.
Good morning. I don't know when I slept last properly, but I wake up rested, so I guess I've slept.
I saw you taking some pictures.
Yeah, then I went around taking some nice shots. The light was perfect.
Okay.
Then the guy who's running this homestay, he was sitting here, he saw me in these clothes, so he took this off and he gave this to me.
Sure.
So I was walking around, I came back to the table. He said, "This is my gift to you."
तो
मेरे को वैसे कपड़े लाने की जरूरत है ही नहीं यार, रास्ते में गिफ्ट मिल जाएंगे तो वही पहन के चलते रहेंगे, है ना? क्या ख्याल है?
सही बात है. ठीक. Feels good, man. It's a खुश खबरी. खुश खबर तो नहीं है, देख क्या सामान आया नहीं ना अभी तो. आ गया ये गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया यार. आंटी सर आ गया सामान,
सारा सामान आ गया.
अरे
I am all fired up now. अब तो ठंड भी नहीं लग रही.
अरे आपको चिल्लाना पड़ेगा यार. ये तो ये खुशी तो
और टाइम से पहले आ गया. हम सोचे 8 बजे आएगा, 7:15 बजे आ गया. फैंटास्टिक, सारा सामान आ गया.
कौन लेके आए बताओ?
वो ये रहा, सारी रात ड्राइव करके आया.
थैंक यू भैया यार, आप लोग लेके आए. हम लोग बहुत परेशान थे, कैसे भी करके पहुंच गए. आरती सर का सामान. Resting.
No, I'm being recharged for the day.
Okay.
On my what's it called? Cloud Max.
Okay.
It's working, blinking. If you look at the control here on the right,
Right.
it's blinking.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm getting my recharge.
Very nice. आंटी सर ये बताओ कितना नुकसान हुआ?
19,000. Taxi from Gurgaon to here and back. But frankly speaking,
19,000 huh?
if your life is intact, no amount of money you lose
Yeah, that's true.
has any meaning. And this has come. It's
Yeah,
25 kgs.
25 kgs.
So I could not have sent it by anybody else in a
Yep.
flight from there to here because his own baggage would have weighed around 10-15.
Right.
Nobody would have brought it. Only way was taxi.
Alright guys, finally it's we are trying to move from here. This was the place where I stayed. My luggage, my bag, everything all packed. Just need to get into my shoes. Posted a photo on Instagram of first day, and for that you guys have to check it on Instagram. Instagram is here, Descent Explorer, and do follow Blacktop and Beyond and all the guys which I tagged on the Instagram. mayam koina ngasi Instagram da hapkhibneba post ama aham first day gi or the Descent Explorer sidila ani ko ano boragadi first time Instagram follow to sambidrigai di live videos ki sorry live updates ki haitare adu just moving out. Before that, need to have our breakfast and need to say Good morning to our veterans.
This is being done.
Good morning, Ravi sir.
Hi, hi.
क्या खा रहे हो?
Expedition.
There's parathas. No, like they say, you should breakfast like a king. You should have lunch,
Anybody wants
like a commoner, and have dinner like a pauper. So I'm having breakfast like a king.
All right. Breakfast time. Tea with bread.
I saw that.
Keeping track of every start and destination. Important for the entire trip. So we will be doing this in every station where we go. So next stop is, sir, next stop is?
Next stop is Manali today.
So we will be passing few of the passes today.
One pass we will pass, go over today, and that is Jalori Pass. It's a nice green and good lush trees around everywhere.
चलिए सर आइए. So guys, we have hit the road and it's 9:30 right now. We are the last one, and both the cars you can see in the front. With me, Captain Alok, who is driving right now. So I hope you guys can see Captain Alok driving. Words from Mr. Alok, who is driving right now. So how is this car right now? I mean, like,
It's steady, it's stable, it doesn't roll. It's a hard suspension. Steering is hard, but I think it's hard because maybe the tires are oversized. It does sometimes tend to oversteer. But since one is not driving at any high speed on the hills and one is negotiating blind corners and bends, I think it's a very good vehicle for this kind of driving.
so anybody who doesn't know about Captain Chandola, he is ex Tosco and Doon School is in Dehradun. Everybody knows about it, and he is. So when did you get graduated? I mean, like, when did you pass out from the school, sir?
1963 batch.
Wow, 1960 batch. That's old, and I will not tell the age of. I'm not going to tell the age right now. We will be revealing the age later in later vlogs. But please guess how old sir looks with, if you can calculate with the batch and when he pass out. So that's the task I'm giving to the viewers right now. Please do comment, and it's a pleasure, sir, sitting with you.
Yeah, it's good fun to be driving, having a young man with me, covering the day's drive, and we look forward to a long and hard day over Jalori Pass.
Alright guys, it's my time to drive for the day 2. Feeling much better on the wheel. कुफरी आ गया क्या?
ये कुफरी का राइड, याक राइड, हॉर्स राइड. चलो चलो, कुफरी का जू होगा इधर कुछ.
अच्छा
रखा होगा.
कुफरी में there is a zoo.
If I remember right, there was. But this is the recreational area of Kufri.
So many tourists are here. Tourist Shimla. On the left, that's Shimla, Solan. So we're gonna take right from here. That's a nice looking Harley Davidson. Yep, this is going to be our first gas filling of the day. Let's diesel up. 36 liter. यहाँ ये प्रॉब्लम था. So we are stopped because I think road is half broken. So we have to wait for this vehicle to come in, and one young lady is doing all instruction. Himachal Police.
I think we're coming up to a nice village, beautiful hillside, green grass and some conifers growing on it. No idea what the place is, but I think we're going towards towards Narkanda. This must be something on the way.
But yeah,
But all apple crops here.
all these trucks.
All trucks of, I think they're full of, waiting to be loaded with apple, and the ones we've gone past, they were already loaded with apple.
Among the net na khali mo miyam se. Net na khali miyam se ngone asi kerja novi ne ba. Apple ngatne apple orchard ngatne mamang lay se. Apple orchard se again ujik se mun magi kana moi load tawdana khotana tawri ba ka. Si miyam se truck ka se apple kana low lai ni. Adu yongona si miyam se asyam tin phazare.
All our apples covered, and you can see that they're all red.
Yes.
They are all ready, ripe, and this town comes to life only during the apple season. Otherwise, if you come during the off season, you would find that the town is completely deserted.
Yeah.
And you are at the Khadu Cafe. When you go inside,
Yeah,
you will
we'll
see.
talk inside. This is a nice interior, man. My interior, so look at the apple coffee oats and yeah, pine.
This road is called Hindustan Tibet Road.
Very nice.
And,
Concept so yeah.
We couldn't get here from Chandigarh. We had to carry from Pathankot.
Yeah, this road was not actually at that time. It was still a public.
I was a cadet.
This is a
NDA and on about to join IMA.
feels good, huh? Some raw.
This is an
I mean, ethnic, yeah. Pine everywhere.
Pine everywhere. So they
Like,
This is the local. Siddu is the local Himachali dish. It is made in two forms. One is sweet, ek meetha hota hai, and one is namkeen with the salt. And the pure ghee, pure desi ghee, because in Himachal there are a lot of cows which are reared, and because of that, one of the best quality desi ghee, pure ghee is available. So you are supposed to have your Siddu dipped in the ghee.
Wow.
It's very good for your digestion. It's very good for giving you the energy, because in the hills, as you know, the energy gets consumed because people walk a lot of distances.
Yeah.
This is the staple diet of the locals of Himachal. Come.
perfecto.
It was a very small. It was like a small dhaba, and today when I go to OK Hotel and he serves me water in the OK water bottle,
Yeah.
that's progress. Wonderful, and I still get the cutting of OK in New Delhi on the flights.
Say something in Manipur. Say something in Manipur.
Chak chare?
And this is ghee.
Get one box or something. Then there's a choice between.
Finally done with our lunch. It was a light lunch. Trying some new food. Siddu. So now, all good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. We had a very important lunch break, and from here it's a marathon till the. So what is the next stop? Next, I mean next
on the pass. Jalori Pass, I think, about 2 hours from here. I forget the altitude, but then from there, I think we'll do our photographs, mandatory stuff.
Today, I'll just show you the trip. It's right now it's 416. So we have covered around 60 to 17, and let's hit the Jalori Pass. We just switched seats.
Tang bhi phas jati hai.
Sir is complaining about the short, what do you call it, the leg room, because I was using it and some bags are already packed there, so we are not able to push that much. Sir, ये last है क्या? इसके पीछे नहीं और?
कोई बात नहीं यार, इसका पीछे नहीं जाएगा और.
नहीं जा रहा है ना? So we're just trying to push. It's already 3:45 and looks like we're quite late. So this is from where? Narkanda. We have reached Narkanda. We do
Jalori Jot,
yeah.
turn left.
Yeah, Jalori we have to take
This is
left.
Jalori Jot.
From
we pass here.
to 350.
350.
So here comes the first view of Satluj River. Beautiful cut of mountains on the left and the beautiful Satluj River on the right.
First and last. You only now see it in the end.
Yeah?
Yeah. We'll come back the same way.
Yeah, so we're gonna cross this road, this bridge,
we don't come back this way, we come another way.
Okay. So this will be the last view of this place. Wow, wow, wow. That is beautiful view in the front. The Green Mountain. Now we just keep climbing. So next stop is Jalori.
Now what do we do?
Okay. Oh. We gotta change the route. What happened now? There's something wrong? Alright guys, all set to move. It's a off-road with full of rocks, stones. We're driving on it and full of body roll, I guess. Still struggling with the road. सबने देखा होगा क्या हुआ अभी. There was no route. There was no place to move up. Vehicles coming down from the front. It's just struggling right now, man. It's a struggle for the first pass, and it's real. Not to lose momentum, right, sir?
Yeah, key is not to lose momentum, because if we lose momentum, we may not be able to gather. So the idea is not to go too fast, to go as slow as possible, to keep moving without losing momentum. Therefore, we don't want to go too close to the car in front of us. We don't want to rush, because in rushing, it's only going to be our loss.
I don't know. Get so close, so far. Sir? इतने पास में इतने दूर.
हो जाएगा, देखते हैं किसी न किसी तरीके तो निकलेंगे.
पहुंचेंगे. Question is, we have to reach there before it gets dark.
Well, let's see.
Dark हो गए भी क्या होगा?
No, doesn't matter.
Torch है. Gonga. Don't want to lose our momentum. One, yes, we have to go. Looks like we have. Is this place, sir?
Yeah, this is Jalori.
Is it Jalori? Yeah. Yes, we have reached the first one. Hey, sir, पहुंच गए finally, huh? With all the struggle. Yeah, finally. What a feeling, man! Manipuri flag. Selected it with my brother Adiraj Singh. It's video, okay? Video. Go Meo! Yeah.
These 2 boys have come from further east and even more east. They are handling our social media. So all that video blogging and whatever YouTubing, these 2 boys.
I'm from Manipur. Yeah, he's from Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. I have been to Darjeeling.
Yeah. It's raining outside. It's very cold.
And the people who are hearing this broadcast, we arrived at Jalori Pass on 11 September 2022, time 1830 hours, all 3 vehicles intact, in good shape, all the 7 people in the cars absolutely in top shape, and we scaled the first pass.
Now we have to be very slow, sir, no? Yeah. It's raining, it's night.
No issue here.
No issue. We'll reach whenever we will reach.
Yeah.
आराम से चलेंगे. That's it. Keep coming. Back little bit. Because there's no space there. No one is there. Yeah, just go back. Just go back. Yeah, इसी लाइन पे. Yeah. ठीक है. Go little towards right. Yeah. Keep going straight. Yeah, perfect. This is fine. No खड्डा हो गया, हालत हमारा हड्डा. वही है. Oh man, I have to get down and literally wet now. No problem.
पानी तो सूख जाएगा भैया.
सही बात है सर. Keep rolling, another one.
एक गाड़ी पीछे था, वो हॉर्न क्यों बजा रहा था?
60 to 70 kilometers for today, and time right now is. Looks like there's something burning in the car. Sorry, check and let me know how far apart you are. Okay, we're sending. We just stopped this place. Just cooling down the brake. I'm sending you the location right away.
R2 has some mechanical issue.
There was like smoke was coming out from here, literally.
From here, is it?
Yeah, from somewhere from here.
चलो खोलते हैं इसको. Water level.
Yeah, hand pump.
उनको नींद आ रही है.
Andy, that hand pump is very handy. Yay! Damn, this road. Oh. बेटा उतर जा थोड़ा सा, पूरा रोड पे खड़ा है. They're not moving at all.
They're not going to the left at all.
Yeah.
Because they're scared. Boxed.
Totally. Trick to drive in this.
He used to be very, very, not nervous, but very, very cautious and look around and have a wide vision. Just don't focus on one place. Look wide as you can. So I think that's about it. If you're careful about few of those points and stay alert enough and try and drive on your gears as much as possible and not force yourself to press the clutch or the brake, you'll be pretty safe.
This is GB. We're in GB right now. It could have been beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
And during the daytime, this place.
Good. None of these towns, they've been spoiled. They've been spoiled by overcrowding and too much of hippie type of people.
Wow, this tunnel is so long, man. I've no idea how many kilometers this tunnel is going to be. Tina sang is tunnels. Kilometer kya na kang de. Kusham. After Manali.
No, before Manali.
Before Manali.
Between Kullu and Manali.
Okay.
What is the time now?
Time is 10:45, 9:45.
Okay, so it'll take us 1 hour to the hotel.
This road is beautiful, man. If you can see, I don't know if the camera can show you. There's some light. On the top of the hills, houses. So beautiful right now. Airport 6 Kullu 6. Finally we reached Nagar. Nagar है ना ये? नगर है कि मनाली है?
नगर यहाँ से आगे है सर.
इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
15 किलोमीटर आगे है. शुरू.
व्लॉग यही खत्म करते हैं यार. बहुत हो गया आज का. 11:30 है. Longest day was. We started at 9. 11:30 we have reached. Crazy.
But we've accomplished what we had to do.
Day one, reached the room. Feeling very tired, man. It's 7 right now. Sorry, 11:40. It's very tired. But I need a good night's sleep right now. And this is the place we're gonna stay. Sleep here. That was my luggage. So I hope you guys like it. Just give a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a video. So tomorrow will be one more pass, and we're gonna hit that Atal Tunnel, the iconic Atal Tunnel, and yeah, we're getting closer towards Ladakh. So for now, keep loving, keep exploring. Different Explorer signing off. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next vlog. I'll be showing the property tomorrow, and you'll definitely entertain you with some drone shots. Good night, everyone.